Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm gonna make something that I've never made before, and I'm really curious about how it's gonna turn out. It's pancakes made with cottage cheese and oats and eggs, and they're real high protein, and that's something I kind of struggle with, is getting enough protein every day. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how they turn out. This is enough for 2 people. I've got a cup of cottage cheese here. I'm using regular 4% cottage cheese, but you could use the low-fat stuff if you wanted to. I've got 2 eggs. I'm using my NutriBullet here, but you could use a blender if you didn't have one of these. And a cup of oats. And then I'm going to use a teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to blend it up. It looks a little thick to me, so I'm going to put just a little bit of milk in there. And I'm also going to put a pinch of salt. I'm going to spray my pan with avocado oil. Now that they're starting to bubble a little bit, I'm going to give them a flip. They look good. Okay, so there they are. I just gave them a taste. They're super good. You'd never know they were high protein. They just taste like regular pancakes. So I will put the recipe in the description. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.